Mindfulness and meditation for rest and recovery to avoid burnout. So this is huge. Like I was talking about in that last video, you need success in trading and outside of trading to fuel each other, right? You can't just put your all into one thing because you're gonna get burnt out, and that's gonna set you back because now you need to take a longer break before you can come back, right? So these high stress, high demand, the nature of trading leads to burnout and exhaustion. So when I was first starting out, I wanted to trade every session all the time. Anytime I was free, I was looking at the charts. And then I realized I need to be on a trading schedule. So I learned to trade the New York Open a few hours, and I stick to that. So when I wanted to do something with trading, I would either study or I would back test my rules and strategy and make sure I know exactly my routine and get ready and build those skills so when I'm trading tomorrow, I have more practice, right? Mindfulness and meditation practices can help traders take breaks, rest, and recover, reducing the risk of burnout and improving overall well being. When I first started this company, I was every minute I had free that I wasn't trading. Um, I was working on this and I got a lot done, but it also set me back because I needed to take a week off. I think it was actually 2 weeks where I didn't do anything for the business. So, and then you got to get in the flow of it, right? You got to find that pace and balance and just run your pace, right? You can make little improvements on certain days when you have more work, but then you need to, after that, you need to come back to your pace and keep working at your pace so you don't wear out, right? That's when you'll have your best decision making and trading. So you just want to incorporate them into your practices throughout the day. Sometimes when you're at lunch, maybe don't watch a YouTube video or something. Just put your phone away and just eat. People watch. I don't know. Maybe there's birds or something, and just eat your food and enjoy, right? And then also know when to take time off from trading. If you're getting frustrated with trading, say, okay, I need a break. Maybe the rest of the day, maybe one more day. And I've also been, when I wake up feeling a certain way, maybe I have like a light headache or my neck's cramped or something, right? There's just something off with me. If I can't get myself together before I get to the computer, then I don't trade, right? Just focus on this. Like I said, figure out what you need to do to resonate with you. Everything I teach, I try to teach in a way that you're able to find what works for you because I know there's not one answer to everything, right? Just because everything works for me doesn't mean it's going to work for you. And it doesn't mean it's going to work for me in a year from today, right? So you need to be able to have the tools and the mindset and the understanding of these areas. So then you could go through the options and figure out what works for you. So you do have that little bit of period of trial and error. Then you get that system until something's not working. Then you can figure out what's not working and try to change it, right? So the better you could get in that flow and that there's no resistance, right? You're doing good work, you're trying, but you're not overworking where you have to slow down, right? You want that good pace, and then you could do the marathons, right? You're not getting burnt out. So we'll go into our last slide, and we're going to go into guided mindfulness and meditation for traders.